I'm Eric. I'm the founder of Function. I co-founded it with my partner Alex Mo. I've known him since the Coinbase days as well. And so used to work at Coinbase for about 3 years. My co-founder also worked there pre-IPO days as well as a senior software engineer. Worked together on the same team. And then in infrastructure as well as a solutions architect over at AWS. We've seen a lot of things that have happened in the space. AI is definitely accelerating in the space as well. And we've just generally looked at the problem that are currently happening in kind of the AI space and potential problems where on-chain coordination and settlements can also help alleviate some of these pain points. And eventually that kind of led to what Function Network is today. And so, Function Network is a suite of AI products depending on kind of like who you are. From a user perspective, we have chat applications that's powered by our decentralized inference network. And so we have our own mobile apps that you could use today um, as a user. And instead of going to your traditional centralized AI companies, where you're passing down your data, you could leverage our inference network instead, powered through our mobile apps and web applications. If you're a compute provider, this is a really exciting one. Our inference network supports multiple different hardware providers as well. So you have like your consumer grade GPUs, your RTX 4090s, or even enterprise hardware as well. You could actually bring it over to our network and host some of these models to power our applications. And then developers, right? Developers are using inference nonstop to help them vibe code, use it for pretty much any of their AI applications, AI agents, launchpads, etc., Twitter bots, X bots. You can leverage our developer platform where you have access to an API key that gives you access to 15 different open source models. And we're all coordinating that through on-chain mechanics and effectively creating a way to converge both AI and blockchain together. Because like as we continue to kind of like look at like how are AI models being developed, we start to notice a trend where effectively a lot of these models are currently being subsidized by private funding. Right? Because, to train models, to develop models, it actually does require a lot of resources. And so naturally, if you're creating an AI model, you generally look for privatized funding, but that leads you into different directions of how do you monetize your model and give it to the access to the community. So, Function basically allows for an alternative way for you as well to, develop models and monetize your models effectively through tokenizing your model.